Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Christine Boney, and today I'm going to answer questions from the regional literature. So, what are the results of the paper? The digital era allows various information and culture from various countries to easily enter. Leads most respondents to believe that regional literature plays an important role as a foundation for students with character. Regional literature can help students strengthen their national identities, preparing them to face future challenges. Furthermore, the regional literature contains wisdom and lesson that we can take from the story, will aid in the development of students' character according to the findings of the research paper. Table 1 results from the first questions are came from the online questionnaire, which resulted to 75% of the respondents consider themselves not very understanding about the definition of regional literature. 25% very understanding. And and the next question, 90% answers that regional literature is literature that develops in the region scope and uses regional literature. Another is 10% answer the regional literature is a work in the form of writing or literature in a poetry, songs, tips, stories, and others. And according to the survey third questions, it resulted to three types of regional literature are widely known as folklore, fairy tales, and panton. In the fourth, we can interpret reading literature respondents is relatively high on a scale of 4 with a percentage of interest of about 60% to 80, above 50% with a number of 27 voters. The fifth question in the questionnaire resulted about what they are interested in reading literature. 75% gave reason they were interested because of regional literature contains specific moral values and messages. 10% states that moral has its uniqueness. Number two questions, which most of likely predicted already and which results you must find out. The result that I predicted already is that regarding why regional literature still influences students' character in the digital era. Since they agreed in the 90% that the digital era are more and more values from outside cultures has potential to shape the character and identity of the nation and children. And the results that I've just found out that regional literature is a work in the form of writing or literature in poetry, songs, tips, and stories. Others that use the language of a particular area is a form of local culture native to that area. Number three, do you think that you can also apply regional literature in digital era? How will you apply such? Yes, I believe because since regional literature can strengthen the identity of a student who is national so that students can face all the challenges in the near future. In addition, we all know that regional literature has the wisdom and lessons that we can take behind the story. So through this, it will help the students to develop the character. Although technology and media are constantly developing the worlds of writing literature, it also become a born of digital literary works that are being created explicitly as a literature to be consumed and interacted with through computers, devices, and internet. By using technology, literary texts can be intensified. For example, by turning them into literal hypertext, just what we have do to our poem. And information, open questions, main idea, it's up to you. And relationships with other similar materials. So, last questions, what regional text or literature you learned previously that is also worth sharing in your future classroom? What is the good thing about this literary text? So, the regional literature that I've learned and worth to share in the classroom is the Mark Twain's novel, which is The Adventure of Huckleberry Finn, falls into regionalism category because of its themes that slavery, morals, and society. And Huckleberry Finn regionalism is the focus on the geographical region or locality, in which Mark Twain displays regionalism in the Huckleberry through its character and dialect. Since Huckleberry and Jim in the Adventure of Huckleberry Finn, a main character that displays that Jim in Miss Watson's slave and Twain embodies the pain and consequences suffered by an entire race at the hands of dominant white society. So that's all. Thank you.